scary bug. And
I don't know where it is.
Weird bug.
Yeah.
Where?
See it? It's huge.
I don't see it. Where is it?
Right there.
Ooh, creepy bug. Ow!
Sorry.
You made me scrape my knee. It's like, I'm moving away from you. Oh, give me something to poke it with.
Oh my God,
Give me a stick.
Cigarette.
Can you give me a cigarette?
Where would you get a cigarette?
It's right behind you. Seriously.
Ew, no.
So your arms are bad for you.
Ooh,
Do you want to leave?
yes, a leaf will do. It'll be like...
Don't lunge at me.
I'm trying to... Give me something heavier I can throw at it.
What's that right there? Put that on my hair.
It's so big.
No, my napkin. My napkin.
Me.
Jeff.
Holy crap! It makes angry noises.
Keep walking.
It makes scary noises.
Let's just go up here where there's an open space.
I almost died.
That's why I backed away from it, because it was like...
I seriously.
Creepy bug makes angry noises.
You should have seen us all run. Here, look at that.
It's something Paris Nicole would do. They'd be like...
I seriously did not think it would make that noise.
I told you it was fluttering when I was looking at it.
Oh, that is so nasty.
I'm scarred for life. I will never look at that bug again.
It was like...
Like, what the hell are you doing? Get off me.
Like grabbing you.
Well, what would you do if you were like randomly walking around and somebody came up to you and they're like, here, let me hit you with a napkin.
Yeah, but would you make that noise? And like
Look, there's a girl. Here, give me something to poke her with. Here, you want to use my napkin? What would you do? I'm pretty sure you'd be pissed off.
But I wouldn't lunge at somebody. I'd run away.
Well, that was an angry bug. He has some issues that he needs to work out.
Sorry.
She has no feelings for that bug.
I know.
I don't because bugs.
Probably stepping on it would be illegal too.
Yeah.
Now that it's probably... It looked a little...
But if you stepped on it, it would like crunch.
Yeah, it didn't look like it was in its habitat
No.
place.
We should have like picked it up and made like, wee! Throw it over the thing.
Well, it like fell from the sky and it fell on the concrete where bugs come from.
Laura, where do bugs come from?
Nutrition.
What?
Another plate in your butt.
Bugs come from your butt?
When you're pissed off.